walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more.
Tommy, calm down.
Jimmy, the firework's attached to your finger.
You got swindled.
They don't call him Wacky Quacky for nothing.
Quiet!
My birthday.
Go fix the fuse box!
Sheesh, and I thought I never shut up. I mean, really, he's just as talkative as I am when I'm trying to tell someone about how I got...
That's it, Henry! That's it!
He's right, Tommy. I didn't. Please let go.
Wait, so if we can feel pain, then this isn't a dream!
Ghost!
It's true! We all saw for ourselves! I wouldn't count on it. There's a very possible chance that'll be the first place the ghost will look. Actually, there's a very possible chance that'll be the second place the ghost will look. Actually, there's a very possible chance that hiding in the attic. And don't worry, if you guys die, we'll attend your funerals. Unfortunately, no. I couldn't buy real guns. They're not suitable. There's children watching.
I'll kill you!
Nice.
Trick or treat!
Stanley, you don't know what you got him? I want to make my smile even shinier. I want a toothbrush. No, an electric toothbrush. What happened? Oh, I may have had a little trouble with the pencil sharpener. I mean, it's just glue, guys. It's no big deal. I'm sorry, Tommy. All right. Don't worry, Tommy. This won't hurt a bit. At least not to my knowledge. Well, that's that then. And it's a good thing we got you out of that sticky situation. Hey, come on. We don't have to do that.
Get over here,
Hey, guys. Oh, I got an internship last month. The statues are in the truck, aren't they? Arrested? You did us a favor. We're closing that place down. People keep making new webtoons every day, and we cannot make any more statues. That place was full. That's why we couldn't put in this one. Yeah, that one was in the back.
You're crushing me!
Well, how else are we supposed to represent them? Statues didn't work. Should have thought of that in the first place. I'll tell them about this. Thanks, man. Well, I don't know. Maybe for Tommy. Careful not to upset him. He's very fragile. I told ya. What broken leg?
Ow! Stupid!
Let's move on, shall we?
How are these two even my brothers?